If you are wondering if you can use a USB cable that is not made by Motorola for Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then the answer is yes. For example, in my case, I use this cable over here. This is actually Oppo's cable with USB-A to USB-C, and the reason why I use it is because I have a power adapter that has USB-A port, so I have to use a different cable, and it works just fine. I can use it to charge my phone, I can use it to transfer files, and that is not a problem. However, you need to keep in mind that some USB cables cannot be used to, for example, transfer files or transfer data, so you have to be careful while purchasing a USB cable. You have to make sure that that cable can be used for that, so that later on when you, for example, connect it to another device, I mean, if you connect your Motorola Edge 70 Pro to another device, such as your computer, and if you try to transfer files, then it might happen that you will not be able to do so with that custom cable. So, something to consider while looking for a USB cable. Leave a like and subscribe.